walking towards, two seagulls just took off. We're just walking down the beach. There's some waves crashing against the rocks here, and it looks really cool. And I just wanted to get a closer shot of it. So, yeah. Great beach. Sunshine Cove, the waves coming in. Relaxing.